Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Gmail account from Android phone. For that you need to go to your phone settings. After that scroll down and find out Google. And click on it. Here you will see your Gmail account, click on it. And then click on Manage Accounts on this device. Scroll down again and find out Google. And then click on it. All Gmail logged into your phone will appear here. If you have a Gmail login on your phone, then one will appear. Here click on the Gmail you want to remove. Now click on More option. Note that depending on the phone settings, your phone may have other icons or options instead of more options. Here you will see Remove Account, click on it. And click on Remove Account. Gmail account removed from my phone successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.